YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to have an updated almond butter recipe. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So just like my other almond butter recipe video, this one's also going to be super easy as well, and of course, all natural and preservative free. Now this is great for you guys out there who like to add this to snacks, to sandwiches, to smoothies, maybe even dip some veggies into it. It's really great. And it's going to have way less fat than peanut butter will. Now today we're using almonds, but like I said in my other video, you can use whatever kind of nut that you want to make this. Now all you're going to need for this recipe is an oil of your choice, some almonds that I've already mashed up for you guys in a previous video, and a blender or a food processor. So I'm going to use the food processor here because it just works better for me, and I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil, but you can use whatever oil it is that you want, and I just have some almond butter here for us to just compare. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the almond flour that I used in a previous video that I'll make sure to link on the screen or somewhere in the description box. And what we're going to do is just blend this even more into our food processor. That way it gets a little bit more grainy and some of the oils are released, and it's just going to make it nice and smooth for our almond butter. The difference with the other almond butter recipe video that I made and this one is that we're going to be using blanched almonds. So there's going to be no skin, there's going to be no brown specks, it's just going to be nice and creamy and more buttery than the other one. But if you prefer to use whole almonds and have the little skins inside that are a little bit more specked, you can totally go ahead and watch my other video and learn how to do that. But for this video, we're going to use our almond flour that we made the other day. So all you're going to want to do here, like I said, is just blend this a little more just to release some of those oils. Now, if you watch my how to blanch your almonds video, then what you might want to do is as soon as you're done blanching your almonds, while they're still a little more moist and a little wet, you can go ahead and put those straight into your food processor that way, so it's already going to be kind of buttery and easier for you to work with rather than a flour. So we're just going to start blending this up. Yes, you can definitely see that the oils are being released more. The sides don't even want to like move around now. Definitely more stiff and grainy. So I'm just going to take a little spatula here, clean up the sides. I'm just going to start adding in. Okay, so we're all done. Now with this, you're just going to want to blend it to whatever texture that it is that you want. Like I said, if you like it more grainy, leave it more grainy. I'm just going to use one of my containers. These are, I can link these below in the description box if you'd like. These are airtight stainless steel containers. Airtight. I'm just going to scoop some out into there. Now you can see how different the color is from my other almond butter video, because these almonds were pretty much like white when we saw them before, and then I used the olive oil, so it's definitely going to have that olive oil color compared to like the more brown that we had before with all the skins. Okay, so we're all done and you should have something that looks like this. Now mine is a little bit more grainy, that's just my personal preference. Now I'm going to take some in here. It's time to try some. So good, you guys. It's definitely smoother and the texture and the color is a lot different than my original video. But this all comes down to your personal preference, so try them both out and then let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. So either comment in my original video that you like this one better, or comment on this video that you like this one better. I'd love to know what you guys think. But That's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Now, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.